A period of body awareness. So as with all meditation, we begin by establishing good posture. So we're looking for as much of the lower body to be in contact with the floor, chair, cushion. Looking for a quality of stability. Ideally, the hips are tilted slightly forwards, allowing the spine to follow its natural curve up towards the sky. Our hands should be fully supported, and if the hands are fully supported, there should be no weight in the arms, and therefore the shoulders can fully relax, and the chest can open and breathe. The neck should be long, the nose in line with your navel, and the ears parallel to your shoulders, so the head isn't tilted or looking off in any particular direction. And as the nape of the neck softens and lengthens, the chin tucks gently and just slightly in towards the body. So having a sense of an upright, alert posture. Having an upright, alert posture gives rise to an upright and an alert mind. It's here that we begin. So, having established good posture, you just sit for a few moments. Just allowing the mind to become acclimated to its current situation. So I'm not trying to do anything with the mind at this time. I'm not training our mind in any way. Just allowing it to be. Just accepting it as it is. And whilst we're awaiting our mind to arrive, we can just become aware of our environment. So just being aware of any sights or sounds, any smells, maybe having a sense of the other individuals in the room with you. So just taking a few deep breaths, just ridding the body of any stale air or toxins from the day. Vitalizing, energizing our breath and our body and mind. And then we're going to begin our body scan. So on this occasion, we're going to begin by bringing our attention to the crown of our head. So just directing your attention to the crown of the head, and without judging or labelling, just being aware of the experience that may or may not be present when you direct your awareness to this area of the body. So there may be physical sensations, qualities of temperature, directing your awareness to this area may give rise to thoughts or emotions. And our job is just simply to be aware Just pay attention to whatever arises, without trying to grasp onto any particular aspect of experience or reject any aspect of experience. So we're just being with things as they are, and allowing the energy, your awareness, to sink down through the core of the body, like maybe a slow elevator towards a basement. Just drawing down your awareness into the body until you arrive at the hara, this area just below the navel, the still point of the body. And just paying attention to whatever arises in experience when your attention is focused on this area of the body. So when you're paying attention to the hara, what experience arises? When you've experienced this area of the body, you can move on. You can direct your attention, bring awareness to the lower abdomen. And as before, just simply being aware of experience, and you direct your attention to the lower abdomen. So we're not trying to force any relaxation, not trying to change our experience in any way. We're just simply noticing what our experience is, moving on. Quite often, quite organically, just simply by bringing awareness to aspects of our body. There does seem to be a softening, a natural relaxation. And it's this type of relaxation we're looking for. Nothing contrived or forced. So having experienced the lower abdomen, we can move on into the groin area. And when we're ready, moving out along the top of the thighs. So we can move our awareness, our attention down inch by inch, or just have a sense of the entire top of the thighs. And whatever arises in our experience as we direct our attention, it's all just fine. Our job is just simply to be aware. The kindly open attention. And sooner or later, we'll arrive at the knee. And in turn, from the knee to the shin. And then in turn, we arrive at the front of the ankle, top of the foot, the tops of the toes. Rounding the tops and tips of the toes, coming into the underside of the foot, all the time just being aware of our experience as we direct our attention, as we rest our awareness upon parts of the body. So at some point we'll around the heel into the Achilles tendon, and then move up into the calves, the backs of the knee, the backs of the thighs, up to the sitting bones. So again, what is your experience when you direct your attention towards the sitting bones? Are there any sensations present? Are there any qualities present? Just placing your attention in this area of the body give rise to thoughts or emotions. Whatever the experience is, as fine as it is, you don't need to follow our storylines. Just simply sit with the experience and then move on. So moving on to include the buttocks and the pelvic girdle, and then beginning to move up the back of the body, so travelling up through the spine, out along the back of the body. So moving up through the lumbar region, up into the thoracic vertebrae, back of the rib cage, moving up to include shoulder blades, just being aware of, enjoying this experience of the body. And then when you're ready, investigate it at the back. You can move into the shoulders. From the shoulders simultaneously, allowing your attention to roll down the outside of both arms. So moving from shoulder to upper arm, upper arm to elbow, to the outside of the forearm, side of the wrist, backs of the hands, backs of the fingers.